It's been officially 6 months since I moved into my first big girl apartment, proper apartment where everything is mine. And the first 6 months consisted mostly of meeting basic needs, which is getting a mattress to not sleep on the air one, or getting a washing machine, or getting chairs, so I have more than the office chair in the apartment, and so on. And as fun as it was, it's also a bit mundane because you just need to get things you need to do, and there isn't any creative process in it. So I'm very, very, very happy that this part of moving in finished. All of the basic needs are officially met, and now I can get my creative juices going. So this video will be a completely makeover of the bedroom slash office room. We will do a lot of DIY. We need to go do some thrifting for home decor as well. And we need to plan how it's supposed to look like as well. So I spent quite a lot of time on Pinterest, of course, to plan and organize and just have some kind of vision for this room. Generally, we went for darker wood in the apartment, so the biggest piece of this room will be bed frame, which is coming, and I'm so excited, and it will be in dark wood. So everything else needs to be work around that. Then something that was really inspiring for me, and it's all over my social media recently, are all of the furniture from Tilko, which is an amazing Polish brand, if I understand the name of it correctly, but they are also very expensive. So we will do a little bit of a DIY from some IKEA second-hand furniture. I actually already bought two. They are not in perfect conditions, but it doesn't really matter for me because I want to make them blue. And I have done quite a lot of research how to make them blue and how to paint it. And basically my conclusion is that there is no good way of painting IKEA furniture. So what I did is I ordered a blue furniture foil, or no, furniture film it's called. This is how it's called. And this is what we will start with today. But before we go and do that, let's just quickly go through the vision that I have and create the Pinterest board or mood board for this room. So the main wood is of course dark wood, and then baby blue will be a big color of this room as well as like a burgundy. I already have a big plant here, a big palm, so we will add that to it, and I would love to have a big, I think it's called banana plant. I would love to mix it all up with some additions of silver. So maybe like a silver lamp or a silver candle holder. Definitely some little silver disco balls. Also, I would love to have a huge abstract painting above the bed frame and bring all of the colors together through this painting as well. So this is the main vision for the room. And then things that we actually have to figure out together along the video is the part of the room that is in office, because there isn't much vision for this part of the room, and I need to make it cute and nice to work in as well. But let's get right straight into it. You can see this is the two things that we are working with. One of them is just shelves and the other one is closed one. It's a bit yellow at this point. You can see that both of them are a second hand. Anyhow, I had a bit of an early start because I wanted to see if it's even possible to do. I would say it went 8 out of 10. It's not bad. I like the result, but the technique needs to be a bit better this time, because what you see the most is the front, and the front is also the most difficult part to do. So I think this time we need to start with the front and then work with the rest of it. Second one is done. It was so much worse than the first one, and now everything is in pieces. So the only thing that is left is continue to struggle with the film. Let's go. After a lunch break, we're gonna get back to work. We did both of the sides, so now the only thing that is left is top and the bottom one, and the back. For the back, I don't think we have enough for film, so it won't be finished today. But when it comes to top and bottom, we can finish that today, so then almost everything is ready. Ta-da! The first one is finished. It took absolutely ages to do, but it is finally finished, and I absolutely love how it looks like. And I think that going with the furniture film was such a good decision, because I don't think I would be able to achieve this like even color with any kind of paint. And it is a couple days later, so I already received the next packages of the furniture film to finish the second one as well. But before we do that, I would like to go to a thrift home decor and furniture store, because bed will be delivered. We have everything to finish the other blue cabinet. And what we're left is what we are missing is a lot of additions. We need some picture frames, a bedside tables, bedside lamps, something that I would like to put in between the desks as well, and stuff like that. So I would like to go there, either get some inspiration because I don't have many ideas for these additions, or find some goodies. So let's go do that. Very exciting day in the household and in a renovation series, because not only I have a fun right now and I'm not boiling in the apartment with 36 degrees outside, I also have bed in boxes. So today evening will be setting up bed kind of evening. finally time to show you what I have achieved in this room. It is definitely a work in progress, and there's lots of more things that I was planning to do and I haven't achieved yet, but they are coming. So you should watch the next vlogs, because I just figure out what I would like to do when it comes to bedside tables. And I will do that next weekend because they are not available to be picked up before that. I was hoping I can pick them up today and then push it into this video, but they just aren't ready. And well, the person that I want to pick it up from is not available. So it will be in the next vlog, so you should watch that. Let me give you a little bit of a tour. So you're walking into the bedroom from the other room, and you can see the bed finally that is put together. I love the color of the wood, and I think it fits perfectly here. As I was saying, the main thing that I'm missing is the bedside tables, but it will come in the next video. And then when it comes to the blue shelving, I think it turned out so well. It was so much more work than I imagined, but I love the color and I love how it looks like. If you look closely, you can see that it is a DIY work. There are some imperfections in some places, but I don't hate it because it was a DIY work, so it's okay. And that was two main things. No, the thrifting. I also went to this thrift store with home decor just to find inspirations, and it was really beautiful. It was also really expensive. Like, you could find some bits here and there that were affordable, but most of it was like antique and not thrift store, which is a huge difference. But what I found is these two beautiful glass handmade vases that I was planning to use as bedside table lamps. There are two options how I will use it. One is either put inside electric candle, so it just gives a little bit of light, and you don't have to worry about this breaking. Or second option, which I think, I don't know if prefer, but I'm looking into because I can find the right thing to put there, that I could use it like this, and then find something at the bottom, like a special a light bulb stuff to put at the bottom, and then use it as a light like this. I have this like a big circled lamp from IKEA. I think it's called a fado lamp that everyone has. So this would be a bit a more unique and more unique version of that. The thing that the other lamp has is actually too tall, so I can't use it. I was hoping that I might be able to reuse it or find it secondhand then from people that broke the lamp or something like that. But I'm looking into it. I am fairly confident that I will find something. So this is another thing you will get update in the next video. And for this one, that's enough. See you next Monday.